Here, we're going to discuss ER verbs. Now in French, there are three major classes of verbs. The first of which is ER verbs. They're called ER verbs because the verbs end in ER, like this. For example, the word speak is parler. The R is not pronounced, but it makes this end et. This is called the infinitive. So it doesn't actually mean speak as much as to speak. And it's usually the second verb in a sentence. But we'll go over that later. For now, let's look at how this verb works with people. To use this verb in sentences, we have to conjugate it. What that means is that for each person, it changes form. So, we take part of the verb, this beginning part, P-A-R-L, and add endings onto that based on who's speaking. So, if I'm speaking, I speak becomes je parle. We add an I. If you're speaking, one person who is informally being referred to, we say tu parles. Es at the end. But remember, this S isn't pronounced. For he is speaking, we say il parle, with an I at the end, just like for I. For we are speaking, we say nous parlons. This is the first form that's different from these first three in pronunciation. The ONS is pronounced on, so we get nous parlons. For you are speaking, where there are many people or the person is formal, we say vous parlez, with EZ at the end. This, parler, sounds just like the infinitive, parler. For the third person plural, they, we say elles parlent, with ENT at the end. But this ENT is not pronounced. It's just parle, the same as these first three. Now this doesn't have to be elle, and this doesn't have to be il, but these are examples that demonstrate the case. So now that we know how to use it, how to conjugate this verb, how do we use it? Let's say we speak French, just as we will shortly. Nous parlons français. Nous parlons français. C'est tout.